Hi and welcome to All Things Styled by Pam. For today's video, I just want to show you some small things that you can do in your home to keep your home smelling fresh, looking good, as well as organization. Okay. Now, when people come over to my house, when they walk in the front door, the first thing I want them to smell is a clean home. Once they come up the stairs, I want them to see a clean, well-kept home. So, in order to do that, I'm going to show you some things that I do to keep my home smelling fresh as well as looking clean, and that's starting with organization. Now, this is a cabinet that I picked up from the Home Goods store. I'm loving the blue. Okay. This cabinet was $179. I thought it was worth it because of the look of the cabinet, as well as I'm able to store things inside of the cabinet. So let's walk up to it. Now, it has two doors on this cabinet, and I'm thinking about maybe changing the handles. I'm not sure because that is a strong gold. So I'm going to open up the doors. I have two shelves in this cabinet, and I'm really loving the cabinet because, number one, it fits in with my style, and my decor, and I'm able to store things in it as well. Now, if I want to, I can save this cabinet for when guests come over. They can put their purses and their keys in here, but I do have something downstairs for that. I have another cabinet. And if you saw my video on storage or lack of storage, then what I like to do is bring pieces into my home that will look good, but also help me keep my home organized as well. So that way when people come over, they won't see a whole bunch of stuff everywhere. And I think this cabinet will fit the bill perfectly. And if you can see that cutout back there, I think it's meant for a media center, but you don't have to use it as that. Okay, I'm going to use it for when I have guests that come over. As they are sitting here or here, they can put their drinks right here, of course, with coasters, okay? And it will help keep the conversation flowing while I'm sitting here or someone else is sitting here. Again, it's beautiful, it's decorative, and it serves organization purposes for me, as well as serving the purpose of someone being able to put their drinks on top of it. Now, let's keep going. I want to talk about these baskets that I had picked up from IKEA. This is a small one, and this is the larger one. You can see the name right here, Baxna. I think that is how it is pronounced. They are foldable. Let me show you. Okay, and this is how I picked up the basket at IKEA. It is folded up. Okay, and then what you do is you let it out like this. And with this basket right here, with all of them, they come with a cardboard that's kind of hard. And what you do is there is one right here, as you can see, and one on that side as well. And on this side, I did not place this one, but I placed it on the other side. I'm going to try to see if I can slide this in with one hand. And I may not be able to. Okay, but it goes down on the side, and then you just gently fold over the cloth that is right here. Let me step back. This one right here and this one right here is going to go in my IKEA pack system. I'm going to use one of these for socks and one for bras. It might be this one for bras and this one for socks. But I just wanted to show you a inexpensive idea or way to be able to, if you have the room in your dresser drawers, I plan on taking all of my socks and put them in here. And if I can fit all my bras in here, if not, then I'll use the bigger one. And they do have even a smaller one than this that you can use for jewelry, or you can use for whatever you want to, belts, just whatever you choose to want to save it for. Or even you can even, if you like not to keep your jewelry out, you can put it in this basket right here and get some smaller ones to do one here, one here, one here, and one here. Or for whatever you want to, or you can use it for your kitchen towels to go under your kitchen cabinet, like I used a basket. And yeah, I just wanted to show you that really quickly. Okay, let's talk about keeping your home clean, as well as it keeping a nice scent in your home. These are the products that I like to use to ensure that my home is clean, as well as disinfected, but still giving me a nice scent for when people come over to my home. Now, I have used Scentivia for a long time. This is a product that is a multi-surface cleaner that I will use on my kitchen countertop. I will use it in my bathroom. I will use it wherever I think it's safe for me to use it. But what I like about the Scentivia is that it has a scratch and sniff on here. So if you want to test out the scent of it while you're in the store, just scratch it and it will give you the scent. Also, what I like to do, I like to use the Gain Fireworks. Now, everyone's probably already know about this. It has the beads at the bottom of this. What I like to use that for is when I clean out my trash can in my bathroom, as well as my trash can in my kitchen, I will put this at the bottom of my trash can in my kitchen and in my bathroom, all bathrooms, so that way when people walk into that bathroom, they will just get this burst of scent, and it does smell like Gain. So if you don't like Gain, maybe there is something else that you can use, but this was the only way I knew to be able to put a fresh scent in my bathroom. Now, I could use a Glade plug-in, but they run out kind of fast. And I noticed that this lasts a little bit longer to me. So I like using this. And please, whatever you do, clean your kitchen trash cans out at least once a week, okay? We're buying stuff, we're putting stuff in the trash can, we're cooking stuff, maybe like fish or salmon or shrimp. And if you leave it in a trash can too long, the trash can is going to absorb that odor. And that is something that you don't want to smell when you're opening up your trash can, or if someone come over to your house and they're asking you, what is that smell? So this is something else that I like to use right here. This is the Lysol disinfectant spray. And I have to thank my friend Sin, because at one point I couldn't find any disinfectant spray anywhere on in Georgia. So once I clean my trash can out or clean out the bathroom trash can, I spray it down, wait a little while, and then come back and then add the beads at the bottom of the trash can, and then proceed with putting the trash bag in the garbage can in the kitchen, or a trash bag in the garbage can in the master or whatever bathroom that I have. Or another thing is too, what I learned is when I come in from outside, I have a habit of sitting down and not realizing I got on my outside clothes. So what I like to do is I like to spray this in whatever I sat in, the chair, or because I'm trying to cut down as much as possible. Now, with this right here, the disinfecting disinfecting wipes, I also learned from my friend Sin that when I bring my groceries in or anything in, if I can wipe it down, I'm going to wipe it down, because I used to watch her do it. And I said, I never thought about wiping everything down. So this is what I use to wipe down whatever is possible that I bring into the home, as well as wiping down my kitchen counters, maybe wiping down the bathroom counters, the doorknobs, whatever. Even in my car, like when you open it, the latch to open the door, I will wipe that down as well. Sometimes my steering wheel, if I've just been in the car, wherever I place something, I will wipe it down too. Now, another thing that I like to use to keep my toilets clean is the Clorox Toilet Bowl Cleanser with bleach. I will let it sit for about 5 or 10 minutes and then come back and then proceed in cleaning out the toilet. This is a great way, as well as putting that fresh, clean scent in your bathroom. Also, another thing is the Lysol Clean and Fresh Multi-Surface Cleaner. I will use this in the kitchen. I will use this in the bathroom. I just use it all over my house. Wherever I can, that will give me a fresh scent, but also looks clean, especially when you have people come over to your house. Now, the next thing I like to use for my kitchen is the Lysol Kitchen Pro Antibacterial Cleaner. I use that. Also, for my bathroom, I like to use the Clorox Disinfecting Bathroom Cleaner as well. This one is bleach free. Now, when it comes to my vacuum cleaner, I like to take the filter out at least once a week. Also, the back part of here where it holds the dirt, I will take that out and clean it as well. You're probably like, Pam, you're going to clean a vacuum cleaner before you clean your floor? Yes, because people are tracking dirt and whatever else on the bottom of their shoes into your home, okay? They're stepping on your carpet, everything. So I like to vacuum. I clean a lot, okay? And I just want to make sure that I'm getting up the majority of the dirt that is being tracked in here up. As well as when I vacuum, it also kind of makes the floors or the rugs smell really good by cleaning it out, okay? And once you get ready, and plus it reserves the life of your vacuum cleaner as well. So, nextly is my steamer. And you see my cat right there. This is a Black & Decker steamer that I picked up because I wanted to try it out on my floors. I'm loving the steamer. I'm loving steamers, period. What I love about steamers, especially for the floors, it helps to minimize, it helps to almost disinfect your floors. I don't know if you know that, okay? I was talking to my friend Sin, and I was talking to her when the contractor finished installing the floors. He was saying, get a steamer. It will help minimize the traffic that comes into your home. So what I like to do is clean my floors, vacuum my floors really good, and then steam my floors, okay? That is a must for me now. I will not, I use this steamer consistently, especially when I want to deep clean. Again, I know I just said this. You don't know what people are tracking in your home, including yourself. So I like to steam my floor. I don't put anything on my floors, period. I just steam my floors, okay? If it'll help me cut down whatever is coming in here, I'm going to use my steamer. Now, I don't use any kind of products like these or on my floors or anything, because I want to keep my floors looking good, but also get them clean. I've used this in the cat's bathroom. I've used this in all of the bathrooms upstairs, my kitchen, living room. Wherever I can use it, I'm going to use it, because I want to make sure that my home has a fresh, clean smell. And I know I've said that a lot when I'm in my home, as well as when someone else comes in my home. So I hope you like my ideas for the small storage, or things that you can do to make sure that you can put your things up and be a little organized, as well as cleaning your home and keeping a nice, clean, fresh scent in your home, because it'll mean more to you if everything is organized and your home smells good, if that makes sense. Okay, thank you for watching my video. And again, my name is All Things Styled by Pam. And always remember to put that diamond touch on anything that you decide to do. And I will talk to you guys in another video. And if you want to join me on my Instagram, join me at Diamond2872. I will be happy to have you over there. Bye.